Arrive in style with this 2007 Mitsubishi Eclipse GS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include variable speed intermittent wipers, keyless entry, fog lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger illuminated visor mirror, ABS, floor mats, and passenger vanity mirror. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.